Hi, this application that I am going to show now is an application which is built to provide assistance to nurses in the hospital. It's called nursing medication chart. So as we know, the nurses in the hospital they work in different shifts, and they have various patients for whom they need to collect various data, and this entire data, whatever they collect during their course of work time, they have to go back and upload it to the uh, data server. So it's completely a manual process at this point of time, which is done on pen and paper. So this application, what it does is it showcases how a nurse's part of the job can become so easy. I will just log into the application. So this is the application, and we have the nurse. It's a login, a role-based login. So for every nurse, it will be a different login. So once the nurse logs in, she would see the list of patients which are available based on the timings. So the timing, for example, from 10 a.m. onwards, how many patients are available are there for her to attend to. The ones which are already ticked are the ones which have already been attended, which means there is some other nurse before this particular nurse has already attended this patient. Likewise, from 1300 hours or from 1600 hours. So we'll go to one of the patients here and see what we can do. So as a part of one of the major exercises for the nurses, they need to capture the vitals data. So the vitals data includes the temperature, taking the weight, the height, the heart rates, blood sugar level, the BPs, which is what it is. So depending on what the data is, the nurse will be able to enter all the data from here for that particular patient with much ease, and the moment she wants to submit it, it will be submitted to the backend, and she can just check that this particular patient has been attended already. Now for the same patient, if it is a patient who has been who has been in the hospital for quite some time, there would be a need for looking at the historical data of the patient. So the historical data of the patient would be available for the nurses to see. We could see quite a few of so the historical data for each of these, temperature, weight, sugar levels, the BP diastolic, BP systolic, the heart rates can be seen here, and it also would show what was the values against also the time at which it was taken. And a lot of this data, all this data is also available in a tabular format to see exactly what was the reading at what time, and at what date. So this is what the nursing station is all about, and it showcases how it is useful for nurses in their day-to-day jobs and activities, and it also takes off the human error that could occur in terms of taking data input onto a piece of paper and then reading out through it and putting it onto the hospital's HIS system.